Okay, so let's begin. What we're going to do in these next set of training videos is we're going to basically make up a mock-up web page, and it's going to be very basic, so it's going to be very quick. The reason for me doing this, I just want to demonstrate how to deal with files inside Dreamweaver and demonstration of its file management capabilities. We'll also pick up a few quick tips in tables and linking pages together really quickly, and don't be afraid, we're going to cover all of this stuff that I cover in the next training videos in a lot more detail. So for example, I'll do one training video just on tables and links, on how to properly link pages and all that. I'm just going to do these really quickly. I encourage you guys to follow along as well. So what I've done is I've got a basic index HTML page, and if I bring up, this is what it looks like, and I've linked one of the pages together, which is the about page, and if I click on this, you'll see it's linked to about page, which is just an image and a few text here, and this is all placed in tables as well. So if I go back, this will be my index page. Okay, so let's have a look of how I created this. So here it's got index HTML. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go file, new, and I'll just go to blank page and click create. You guys at home can do the same, or just go to your welcome screen and just click HTML. Okay, so let's begin. What I'm going to do is click on the table tag, and I'm going to put in 4 columns, and these columns will basically be our area for our links, basically, which connects the pages together. And one thing to point out this time is that inside Dreamweaver we need to place everything in boxes and tables and lay them out accordingly, otherwise they'll kind of float around. And I'll cover tables in a bit more detail in later stages, but at this moment in time, that's kind of what you need to know, is basically we do create everything inside tables. Okay, so let's begin. I'm just going to stretch this out, say to around about 600, which is fine, and it's organized itself like so. And in the first one, I'm just going to go ahead and type in about. The second one was portfolio, and the next one was clients, and the next one was contact. You don't have to use these names, you can go ahead and create anything. And what we're going to do is select this and just make sure that they are in the center. Again, at this moment in time, I'm not going to really worry about spacing, and you can stretch out the table if you want to and do that in your own time, but I'm not really going to bother. And what we're going to do with this file is we need to save this as an index file. So what I want you to do at home is, if you go File, Save As, and you'll see it, and just save it as index file, and the type, make sure you've got the type as HTML documents, like so, and you can go ahead and do that. Yes, I'll overwrite it. Okay, the next thing we need to do is select, and we'll change the font of this. So from the size, what I want you to do is go to XX large, so it's nice and big, and the font here at the bottom, I just want you to use this one at the bottom here, which is Geneva, Arial, and Helvetica Sans Serif. Okay, and again, I'll cover all of these things that I'm going through in a little bit more detail in later tutorials. Now, once we've done that, we've actually created a style inside Dreamweaver, and it's labeled as style 1. And what I want you to do is just simply select that, and yep, you've guessed it, go to style and just select style 1. So make sure they're all on your same style. Like so. Okay, and you'll see that I'm just going to shut this old index file down, and you'll see that each time you make a change inside Dreamweaver and little asterisk appears, you need to save this when you see that appearing, and we just click save. And if we wanted to view this in a browser, we can just hit that tab there, or F12 if you set up that shortcut key. Also, you need to ensure you give a title to this document as well. So I'm just going to give this a title. This will link to our home page. So I'll just say my web page and a gap. And I'm going to end this video there, and we'll continue to pick up this video in my next tutorial.